What's up, everybody? This is your buddy pal London Hawthorne. I'm here with yet another unboxing. Today we have one that shipped from, well, it doesn't say, but this is an Amazon Prime order. I'm not sponsored by Amazon, but I'd love to be. If you want to sponsor my video, please slide up in my DMs. You can always cash at me at London Hawthorne. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. I do appreciate it. So, first up is Bodman Black Fragrance Body Spray. It smells great. The wrestler Ryback actually recommended this in one of his podcasts, and I bought it. Did the subscribe and save. It smells great. I highly recommend it, Bod. If you want to sponsor me, let me know. If you have a cologne or a perfume, whatever you want me to try, let me know. Also, I got these Salonpas from Hisamitsu. This is great. This is like, it's better than the gloops because the gloops get on your hands. You can just spray this on what ails you. I'm like the Tin Man oil can. But I put these every morning before work, every workout when I go to the gym. I put it on my joints, and it really does help. I've tried a ton of different ones. If you have one you want me to try, do a review of, let me know. Thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, hit the notification bell. You'll see my next video, my next unboxing. I do reviews, taste tests of different stuff, so please feel more than welcome to check those out. And be safe out there and have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.